There you go.
The competition is a real-world science project to write research proposals, compete against each other, and try to be the one who wins the opportunity to send an experiment to space.
You guys ready? Ready to fill?
And the kids that are here today are the ones whose experiment was selected to be flown actually to the International Space Station.
The experiment is sending phytoplankton up to space. So we're going to see if they can survive without sunlight in space. And it could help us in the future to see if, we could bring phytoplankton up to space for oxygen use.
I think we can learn how plants are able to survive in microgravity. Like, if microgravity conditions, how does that affect the chlorophyll of plants to make them survive longer?
I think the more you've got to start with and the more accurate your results are going to be about how much it degrades.
So it's a cyanobacteria called spirulina. It's very prevalent in the oceans. It's the bottom of the food chains. It's one of the major oxygen-producing organisms in our ecosystem. And what they're trying to figure out is how fast the chlorophyll is going to degrade when it's up there in space. And does microgravity have an effect, or is it really the lack of light? And so the work that they do can lead to additional research in the future that can help feed people as we start to build a space colony.
I learned more about phytoplankton. I didn't really know too much about it, but studying it and seeing it under the microscope, I learned what it looks like and how they survive and what they can do for humans.
Everything we're trying to do here at East under U of R in terms of turning the school around is all research-based. What are the best practices in education? And so I think when you can take a project like this and show the kids how it can have real-world applications, it really builds on everything that we're trying to do here and reinforces the whole U of R concept.
I think it's a big honor for me. I really didn't think I was going to win. I think it's a real honor for the school too. It's like, U of R came in, they're trying to change things, to have some project go into space and be recognized, nationally and locally is really great for them.
It's a good thing to know that within a large group of people that you were selected to take your thing into space and test it. So maybe someone else will expand on our idea and just make it bigger and bigger and bigger and better.
I think the skills that they're learning about how to research and how to synthesize information and how to be critical about it. How to say, okay, well, I read this. Well, is that really true? Is that really what we want to do? And I think those skills are going to take them far.